What you'll need for my breaded chicken tenders, you'll need some onion powder, some paprika, some parsley, garlic powder, pepper, turmeric, and this is the breadcrumbs. I've already added those spices to that, and you'll need that, and you'll need the egg with maybe a quarter cup of water, a little less, and some flour, and some chicken tenders, just in a small amount, just to show you. This is how I do my breaded chicken tenders. Dip it in the flour, then into the egg, and then into the seasoned breadcrumbs. And you do that with every piece. Of course, if you have more chicken tenders, you obviously would probably use a little more of the egg and flour and breadcrumbs. I use canola oil in here, maybe a quarter of an inch of oil, of the canola oil. Let that heat up just a little bit. Put it on like medium. And just add your breaded tenders. I've also got some peas boiling and some French fries cooking. You can find my homemade French fry British chips recipe. If you look down some of my other videos, you will see a recipe to make homemade French fries. That's just what I'm going to have with this. So you let that cook, and then you would turn it over. There's the French fries. I have some peas boiling. And you let this cook, you let it simmer. When the other side's a bit golden brown, you turn them over. I always cook mine after just to make sure that they're done, and then when they are done, I put them out onto a paper towel, just to drain off even more of the oil. And of course you can add whatever you like. Now I use sweet and sour for my chicken, and I will put English malt vinegar on my peas and French fries. So thank you for watching, and hope you enjoy this recipe.